How will artificial intelligence, or AI, shape our future job market? That is a question many of us are asking. It's a query that's not just philosophical, but very practical. To answer it, we first need to understand what AI is. Artificial intelligence, in its simplest form, is the ability of a machine or computer to mimic and learn from human intelligence. It's already here, humming in the background of our everyday lives, reshaping how we work. Take a look at the transportation industry, where AI powers self-driving cars and optimizes logistics. Or consider healthcare, where AI helps doctors analyze complex data and deliver personalized treatments. Even in retail, AI is revolutionizing how we shop, predicting what we want before we even know it. AI is not some far-off sci-fi concept. It's here now, transforming the way we live and work. As we can see, AI is not a distant reality, but a present fact. So, which jobs are most vulnerable to AI? Let's dive into that. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is increasingly being integrated into workplaces, and it's no secret that some jobs are more at risk than others. The most vulnerable are those that involve repetitive tasks, data analysis, and customer service. Why repetitive tasks? Well, AI thrives on predictability. Jobs that require doing the same task over and over are an AI's dream. For instance, assembly line work in manufacturing, where the same action is performed repeatedly, is a prime candidate for automation. Next, let's talk about data analysis. AI algorithms are excellent at sorting through large amounts of data quickly and accurately. This means jobs that involve a lot of data crunching, like accountants and financial analysts, could be significantly impacted. Already we're seeing AI software that can analyze financial data and generate reports in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Lastly, customer service roles. You've probably interacted with a chatbot at least once, right? These are a form of AI designed to handle customer queries and complaints. They're not perfect, but they're improving rapidly. As they become more sophisticated, we may see fewer human customer service representatives and more virtual ones. Now, this doesn't mean all jobs in these categories will disappear overnight. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it requires a human to use it effectively. It's about automation, not elimination. Humans will always be needed to oversee AI systems, to handle tasks that require a personal touch, and to tackle problems that AI simply can't solve. However, it's undeniable that AI is reshaping the job market. We're seeing a shift from jobs that involve routine tasks to ones that require more complex problem-solving and creative thinking. It seems that jobs with routine tasks are in the crosshairs of AI. But remember, every industrial revolution has brought about change, and with change comes opportunity. It's a brave new world out there, and it's up to us to navigate it. But not all jobs are at equal risk, so which ones are least likely to be impacted? It's worth noting that jobs requiring emotional intelligence, creativity, and high-level decision-making are generally safer from AI disruption. Let's consider emotional intelligence. Roles like therapists, social workers, or nurses, where empathy and understanding human emotions are critical, are less likely to be automated. Machines may be smart, but they can't quite replicate human compassion and empathy. Next up, creativity. While AI can produce art or even write scripts like this one, it can't truly innovate or think outside the box like a human can. Jobs in the creative field, like writers, artists, or designers, are still relatively safe. Lastly, high-level decision-making. This includes roles like CEOs, judges, or politicians, where complex decisions based on multiple factors, including societal implications, are required. These jobs demand a human touch. Thus, jobs that require a human touch appear to be more resilient against AI. Scene script. AI brings both promise and peril. So what are the potential benefits and drawbacks? Artificial intelligence, AI, is a fascinating paradox. On one hand, it promises a future of increased efficiency, cost savings, and even the creation of new job opportunities. On the other, it brings with it concerns of job displacement and privacy. Let's start with the positives. The potential benefits of AI are enormous. For businesses, AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for employees to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. This can lead to increased productivity and perhaps even job satisfaction. Moreover, AI has the potential to create new jobs that we may not yet be able to envision. Think about it. A century ago, who would have thought that jobs like app developers or social media managers would exist? The same could hold true for the AI-driven future, but every silver lining has a cloud. And with AI, the cloud is the fear of job displacement. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, it's not just manual, repetitive tasks at risk. Even jobs that require complex decision-making could be automated. This means that a wide range of professions, from truck drivers to lawyers, could face the risk of redundancy. And then, there's the question of privacy. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of data to function. This can lead to concerns about how this data is used and who has access to it. Are we comfortable with AI systems knowing our every move, our every click, our every preference? Clearly, AI is a double-edged sword, capable of both building and dismantling. It's a technology that brings with it immense potential, but also significant challenges. As we move forward, it's crucial that we navigate this landscape with care, ensuring that the benefits of AI are harnessed while mitigating the risks. After all, the future of work in the age of AI depends on it. So how can we brace ourselves for the age of AI? A question that's been echoing in the minds of many. The key lies in lifelong learning and developing skills that AI finds challenging to replicate. Let's dive into lifelong learning first. The concept isn't new, but it has gained much significance in this digital age. It's not just about acquiring new knowledge. It's about being adaptable, resilient, and open to change. Embrace the opportunities that come with learning new technologies or software that complement AI rather than compete with it. Now onto skills that AI can't easily duplicate. These are often human-centric skills like creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and leadership. No matter how intelligent a machine might be, it can't replicate the human touch, our ability to empathize, or our capacity for unique, out-of-the-box thinking. As we march into the future, it becomes imperative to adapt and grow in the age of AI.